Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JBL Pulse 4 and you need to do a hard reset on it. This can help you if you have issues with it not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's connecting to the wrong device and it keeps connecting to the wrong device and you just want it to forget all the devices so that you can get a fresh start on it. It's real easy to do the hard reset and it will forget all the devices. All we need to do is press and hold simultaneously this Bluetooth button that is here, as well as the volume up button that is here. And we're just going to press and hold them simultaneously while the speaker is on. We're just going to keep holding them until we get that classic JBL ju-ju-ju sound. Once we get the ju-ju-ju sound, then we can let go of those two buttons, and then we are going to press and hold the power button for several seconds until the speaker actually turns off. And we'll know that it has turned off when this light actually turns off. And once this light turns off, then it will be fully reset. We can turn the speaker back on and we can pair it as a new device with whichever device we want to use it on.